Every brain scientist is skeptical of black box AI. So in drug discovery, models hallucinate structure that cannot exist and overlook the toxicities. So Aurion solved this rule in one core rule. So the LLM proposes the freely that deterministic verifier cannot fool checks every proposal. So now I will show that how we bridges the autonomous AI agent with the rigid computational physics. So let's go to the drug discovery directory, and that is our prompt. Let's say this is the goal we want to achieve, and this is one iterational do. Okay. So our goal is to here is that develop an inhibitor that improves the glucose uptake by targeting the IRS1 parameter. Okay, so our lead planner automatically maps this goal to insulin signaling pathway instantly, and the chemist proposes a molecular candidate. Trust the model that the structure immediately passes to the RD kit here, and that verifies the chemical validity. If it passes, the tellurium solves audio is equation that biological pathway. So we see the real concentration dynamics that chart render baseline versus the perturbed states, and the pharmacologist assesses target efficacy while the toxicologist checks the leap efficacy rule. So if the toxicologist issues a veto, the loop rejects the candidate, which the LLM cannot override. Here we can see that this is the leap efficacy follows, and this is the OD result, and this is also a perturbation plot that can give a better view. Okay, so already we can see that there is a review that the molecule is got accepted because all the parameters and all the property has been fulfilled. And this is a clinical summary. We can download a PDF report. Here it contains all the plot and the molecular structure. And there is also a detailed AI report. You can also download the report here, which contains a table with some properties. And there is also some options that we can capture all the sequential part with JSON. Okay, so here is also a part that we can implement the AI chatbot. And in the clinical summary, the proposed molecule can be used in a simulation workspace. Like we can also further work with this molecule that this is better for. Here the inhibition rate is 15%, and we can see that it is going through a pipeline that the SVML solver, then the simulation run. Then after all of this thing, AI interpret will give us a report that actually human readable. So we can see that this is the molecular view, and also using the parameter K1A, there is also different protein parameters we can use, and this is the perturbation rate for 15% exhibition and perturbation disturbance, and this is toxicity and admit property. It already follows all the rules, and this is the molecular weight, and it's a AI clinical review that how we can use that and how it is generated. This is also, this report can be also downloaded in the PDF format. And there is another part that the repurposing hub. So here we can see so after that all of this output and getting result, we can share the result, copy the result, and after this is the work.